What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to install a magnet to hold my plates on my 2019 Honda Accord. So it's from Amazon. It's called Lovimag or Lovimag, however you want to pronounce that. So it's coated with epoxy, and we're gonna go ahead and try to install it. Okay guys, so first things first, where we're gonna install it is, if you live in New York, first of all, dealers pretty much pre-drilled, put the plate number on your car already. So we're going to use this 3 holes right over here, and we're just going to install this magnets. So this comes with 10 pieces, but obviously we're not going to use all of them. And this is for heavy duty, and at least that's what it says. So it's going to come with 10 screws and 10 magnets. So we're going to go ahead and try to install it and see what it looks. Okay, so now the area is clean. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3. We're just gonna go ahead and install the magnet. So first, I just want to let you guys know this is very, very sticky, or what do you call this? Very attached, very strong, so be careful not to clip your hands or fingers, because it really hurts. It happened to me earlier and really hurts, as you can see right over there. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna clean the surface where we're gonna install the magnet. So I just had the car washed yesterday, but it was raining. It rained, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it. So first I'm just spraying it with water. And once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and clean it with a rubbing alcohol. Okay guys, so once everything's installed, I had a learning curve, so I thought the plate itself was gonna attach to the magnet, but I guess there's a reason why they gave you 10 pieces with this one. And I found out, so this is what I did. I put 2 magnets, so I put a 3M tape, the magnet, another 3M tape in between the magnets right over here. As you could see, I don't know if the camera's, so there's a 3M tape in between those magnets, and I put a 3M tape on top of it to secure it. And it looks tacky, yeah, I know, but well, I'm just trying it out. So once you attach it, oof, it's sturdy. It's really sturdy, and it actually bends your plate if you're not careful. So for now, I use 3M tape to cover the magnets, see how it works. But when I'm driving, obviously I'm gonna take off my plate, and when I'm parked, yes, I'm gonna put it so I don't get a ticket. And also, I'm not encouraging you to get it. This video is only for entertainment purposes, and I just like the clean look of the car. I don't want no screws on whatsoever, and I'm thinking or debating still if I want the bracket to install in the car, but if not, I'm actually gonna do it as a giveaway. So let me know what you guys think. Put it I'll link the description down below if you guys want to pick it up yourself, but I'm actually thinking about giving the bracket as a giveaway, just like I mentioned earlier. And I'm actually thinking about sticking with a magnet for the meantime. So there you go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and hit that notification below so you'll know when I upload another video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.